Shadows can make or break a composite. Begin by studying the direction and softness of the original light. On a new layer beneath your subject, paint a dark blurred shape with a large soft brush to represent the ambient shadow. Lower opacity and stretch it slightly with the transform tool for realism. For the contact shadow, use a much smaller hard brush with tight diffusion. Build it gradually around the feet or base. For directional shadows, duplicate the subject, fill it with black, and warp the shape to match the light angle. Apply Gaussian blur until it blends naturally. Once shadows bind the subject to the ground, the composite gains authenticity. End your session by toggling the visibility of shadow layers to confirm cohesion.